Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To save and load numpy arrays from files, you can use the numpy.save and numpy.load functions. These functions allow you to save numpy arrays to disk in a binary format and load them back into memory when needed. This can be useful for storing intermediate results, sharing data between scripts, or simply persisting data for later use. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to save and load numpy arrays from files. 1. Saving numpy arrays to file asterisk. To save a numpy array to a file, you can use the numpy.save function. This function takes two arguments, the file name where you want to save the array and the numpy array itself. In this example, we create a numpy array arr and save it to a file named my_array.npy. 2. Loading numpy arrays from file asterisk. To load a numpy array from a file, you can use the numpy.load function. This function takes the file name as an argument and returns the numpy array stored in that file. In this example, we load the numpy array stored in my_array.npy into a new numpy array loaded_arr and then print its contents. 3. Complete code example asterisk. Here's the complete code example combining saving and loading numpy arrays. When you run this code, it will save the array to a file, load it back into memory, and print the loaded array. That's it. You now know how to save and load numpy arrays from files using numpy.save and numpy.load.